Everyone. In this video we are going to learn about builder design pattern. Builder design pattern falls under the creational design pattern of gangs of our design pattern. Builder design pattern builds a complex object by using a step by step approach. Builder interfaces defines the step to build the final object. The builder is independent of an object creation process. A class that is known as director controls the object creator process. Let's first fit in the various participants of an builder design pattern in our scenario. First one is the product, second one is the builder, third one is the concrete builder, and fourth one is the director. Let's see one by one. First open the project. Select the console application, console app, builder design pattern. Click OK. First we'll check what's the problem we are facing once we are not going to use the builder design patterns. Just create the one class, that is I'm going to create because it's a building. I'm going to create the object of a mobile phone. Just I'm going to create that public class mobile phone. In the mobile phone there is so much properties. That is the first one is that screen, second one is that battery. So battery is that will be integer, third one is that operating system, fourth one is that going to take that example like a color, a fifth one to model, like that. I'm going to creating that one this way. So now going to create the constructor and to pass that all those things just like a screen, battery, operating system, color, model. Now going to assign this dot battery is going to battery, this dot color is going to color, this dot model equal to model, this dot after model operating system, and then one more thing is that screen, that is a screen. Now going to convert override to string. Okay. Now going to write the console application CW. First one I'm going to add that screen, that is a placeholder 0. After screen it will be battery, then 1, then operating system. Going to add into 2, operating system, then color, it will be 3, model, this will be 4. Now I need to add, first one is the screen, then battery, then operating system, then color, then model. Like so this particular class, if you are want to create that object, so it should be written this should be written second. Format. Yeah. Now, if you want to create that one mobile phone, just like if we'll take the example of a mobile phone is that Android, if you want to create that object. So what you have to do, you have to do like a mobile obj Android mobile, like Android mobile phone. But same times you need to pass all those value, just like once you want to create that Android mobile, so this all things will be required. But maybe the in the some scenario, if you have so much field one, so I have added 2 3 more field, but it's not will be that depend upon once you are going to create that particular Android, it's not required. Like if I want to sorry, so just like only you have to pass that screen and battery, because you don't know that what will be the fun inside operating system if you don't know. So how you will pass that one, that particular value, if you don't know? You know only that okay, I want 5.5 inches screen and battery should be like a 3300 mAh. So rest of the thing, maybe that color you know and model you know, but you don't know the operating system, or maybe that you don't know the about the battery. So that times how you will pass, because once you are going to create that constructor, so you have to pass that particular value. This particular value will be required, so you have to pass some value. Just like if you say that screen, so maybe you can write like a Android screen something. Android screen. Then battery, so you have to write like a battery like a 3300. Next, if you are operating system, just like OS, the simple. Then color, maybe then black, and that model, something model you're going to write. You have to pass that particular value to create that particular Android mobile which you want. So after that, you have to write like a console and this dot toString. Okay. Now just run that application. You can see here you get the value. But if you don't know that about that your operating system, if you are not going to pass this particular value because you don't know, or you cannot make like a null, so that times if you are not passing this value, then you will get that error, because you must have to pass that particular value. That particular this type of problem is going to be solved by that your builder design pattern. So how I will create, just delete all those things, this, and just delete the value. So no need to pass this. This one is not required, and this one is also not required. As I told you that for the builder design pattern, it will be the various participant of an builder design pattern in our scenario. So that first one is that product, because I'm going to write that your various participant. So I'm going to write here, first one will be the your product in the sense that which one you are going to be created, means like this is the object that will be created by assembling many parts. It's like a many parts in the sense, like if you look here, that many parts is screen, battery, operating system, color, model, and maybe that more. So that one, that what various participant is that product. So product, I'm deciding that okay, I'm going to create that mobile phone, that particular product. Second one is that builder. Yeah. Second one is the builder. That builder, this is the all interfaces for creating the actual product. Means like which product you are going to create. That if it's maybe that your Android mobile or your Apple or Windows mobile. So third one is that concrete builder. So that concrete class that we will create complex product. This will keep track of what product it has created, that is assemble what parts, and that will be used by the client to get the product object. And third one and the final one is that director. So this is the client code that will specify the parts needs to be put together to create the actual concrete product. Basically that director is one more thing you can use it, because you know that one what's the process here. Just like you are going to build that house, the first one in the house you have added like a that create the basement roof and your inside decoration. Okay, so what your director will do, it will make as a sequence. It will not like that in the director you can write like a, okay, first it will be create that basement, then your roof, then your inside decoration and wiring, all those things. So director is basically used for your sequence. It will write on a sequence. So one by one we are going to write. First product we have already created, this one, this mobile phone. So this is the product. As you know that this one is that product for a builder design pattern. So this one is the product. Now I'm going to create, that is a builder. The second part is like if I'm going to write like if this one is the first, then this one is the second, and this one is the third, this one is the fourth. Now first already created that product is that mobile phone. I've created that one. Now going to create the builder. So hit public interface, because this one is the interface. I builder mobile phone. Okay, so going to write that method. First one is the screen, so it will going to write void get screen. Then second one is that your battery, so I'm going to write get battery. Okay, then third one is that operating system, so I'm going to write like a void get operating system. Then fourth one is that color and model, so get color, and last one the model. Yeah, one more thing is missing, that is that you have to create that object, that is a mobile phone, this one, that product object. So you have to write like a get mobile phone your object, or write like a get mobile phone. Yeah, your second part is done, that is a builder is done. Now I'm going to create that concrete builder. Going to create the one class. First one is that Android mobile phone. So going to implement this interface iBuilder, implement this one. Yes. Right, now going to create that object, that is your mobile phone object here. So how to do, create the object of a mobile phone. Okay, oh sorry, should not come here, it should come here. Object mobile phone. Now going to create that object, new mobile phone. So this constructor should be this. Now you have to assign here this dot screen, it will be Android screen. The next one is that battery, so copy this one is the battery. I'm going to write 3500. Sorry, this one will be 3500. The third one is that operating system. This one will be the operating system. Next one is that color, Android color. Then model, this one is the Android model. This one right is a model. And the last one is that it will return object of mobile phone. Okay, done. So I can create one more, but I'm not going to implement. So I'm going to create that one, that is for this one is Android mobile phone. Then I'm going to write one more, concrete builder, that is a Windows mobile phone. It will implement that one, iBuilder. Okay, I'm not going to write the code because it will be same way you have to write here also. Okay, so that till here it's done, concrete builder. Now I'm going to create that director. So right here, public class director mobile phone. Now create the constructor CTOR. Then here that interface you have to call, that is a iBuilder phone mobile. So right here create the variable, not like that, create like this way. So assign here so it will be the this dot equal to, yeah, right. Now here we can write that one, or here it will be create that your product. Construction. It will be this dot. So what all things will be happen, just like a get battery, this dot get color, this dot get a mobile phone, this dot get model, this dot to get operating system. This one will not come. Instead of this, get mobile phone, get a screen. Now your constructor has been done like a director. So all things are done. This one first I have created that product, this mobile phone, then builder. This is the interface. This one is the concrete builder, that is an Android mobile phone or Windows mobile phone, and last one is the director. Here you can write that sequence, which sequence you want to build that one. Now, go to the main window. Just copy the name of this director mobile phone. Now create the object of a here director mobile phone. OBJ director mobile phone is equal to new director mobile phone. Here actually it's asking the iBuilder mobile phone. So create that iBuilder mobile phone object of a builder mobile phone is equal to new, that is a Android mobile phone. Just pass this value. Okay. So this one has been done. Now this one that to call the construction. That construction has been done. Now you can write like a CW. Now you can write here that object mobile phone dot get mobile phone dot toString. So this one will be create that object. This one will create that object that it will return that one, that mobile phone object, and we're going to concat. So just run the application. Now you can see that all things is coming. Okay. So what we have done till now, first we have created that a product, then your builder, then concrete builder, and then director. 4 things we have completed. So if you will implement this one also, you will get that value also. If you will just copy this and paste it here. Just this it will be, and inside of Android you can write like a window. This one will be the 3300. Paste it here, and only need to change your Android to window mobile phone. Now run the application. Now you can see the window. See Windows screen, that 3300, all Windows operating system, window color, and window model. I hope it's clear. Thanks for watching.